This video is from Irwindale Public Library, and we will be showing you how to do 2 different science experiments using eggs. For our first one, we will be showing you how to make an eggshell disappear. You will need vinegar, an egg, a cup, and optional food coloring. So I'll be putting 1 egg in 1 cup and another one in our second cup. And then we are going to go ahead and add some vinegar. You're just going to cover the entire egg with vinegar so that it's fully submerged. And then I'm also going to add food coloring to one of them. You don't have to do this. If you are going to add food coloring, you do need to add a lot, like 10 drops. And as you can see, it's already bubbling. We can see the vinegar is having a reaction. So we're going to cover these eggs, cover them with a bag or with anything, and then you're going to let them sit for 24 hours, and then we'll check on them. So I'll show you how it looks after about 8 hours. We can kind of see the eggshell breaking up. And now it's been 24 hours, so let's see how our egg looks. I'm taking it out of the vinegar. As you can see, look at that. Our eggshell is totally gone. And this is how it looks. So what you can do is you can bounce it very, very carefully. It will break if you bounce it too hard, which you will see. I'm gonna break it and oh, splat, but that's okay. And then let's look at our blue eggshell, our blue egg. So we see, look at this, our egg. It didn't die all the way, but all the eggshell is gone. It looks pretty cool. This one I probably won't bounce it. How did this work? The eggshell contains calcium carbonate, but the vinegar is very acidic and it eats away at the eggshell. It leaves the egg membrane and the inside of the egg, so that gives us that bouncy egg at the end. And next we're going to see how strong eggshells are. You will need 3 to 4 eggs, a Sharpie or a marker, and several books. We are just using the eggshells, so you won't need the inside of the egg, so if you want to, you should cook them and eat them. If you don't like eggs, you can also just throw them away. Carefully break 3 eggs in half down the middle so that each side is about the same size and they don't have any cracks in them. Then dry your eggs like I'm doing here. Next, use a marker and draw around the eggshell so it's about the same height, and we're going to break off these little pieces, so we want to make our eggshell a level height. And you're going to do this for all of your eggshells and try to keep them approximately the same height. You don't really need to measure, just eyeball it. We only need 4 eggshells, but we're breaking 3 eggs because some of them might not turn out so well. I had 2 eggs that did not break very evenly, so I'm going to discard those. Put the eggs down on a flat surface in a rectangle shape and then start stacking some books. So you want to move slowly as you stack them, just do one at a time. And check your eggs for any cracks, and we're going to see how many we can fit. So I've got 2. Look, it's looking pretty good. There's no cracks. The eggs are looking fine. Let's add some more. We've got 3 books, and we're just going to keep going. Now I have 4, and I have 5. I'm going to check them. It's still looking pretty good. And my eggs haven't broken, so I'm just going to keep on stacking until they do. We're going to get a lot of books on here. And I'm actually at 13 books right now, and my eggs are still okay. I'm going to be able to add 3 more, but soon you're going to see it's going to break, and I'll let you hear it. All right, ready? Listen closely for the next one. Did you hear that? My eggs broke. I got 16 books on top of those 4 eggshells. And there are all my squished little eggs right here. So how did that work? For one, the eggs are dome-shaped, which is a great shape to hold weight, and the even distribution of the weight over the 4 eggs makes it less likely to break. That's the end of our video. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll join us next time.